Hi, I'm Kate. Today's video lesson is about using the articles a, an, and the. Articles are used in sentences in English, so now we'll learn about them. I am a teacher. I am the English teacher. You are a student. You are an intelligent student. So how do you decide which article to use? Let's learn about this together. You use articles before nouns to help you to identify if the noun is general or specific. For general nouns, you use a or an. To clarify this, you use a and an when you have a singular, countable, or general noun, a noun that is one of many. Let's take another look at our examples. I am a teacher. I am one of many teachers. You are a student. You're one of many students. You're not the only student, and I'm not the only teacher. The article a is used with words that start with a consonant letter. The article an is used with words that start with a vowel letter or a vowel sound. Remember the vowels a, e, I, o, and u? A and an are called indefinite articles. Let's look at some more examples. I ate a sandwich for lunch. Amanda saw an elephant in the zoo. We don't know which elephant. It's one of many. How can you use the as an article? You use the before a noun that is known and being referred to. The can be used with singular or plural nouns. It can also be used with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. The is called the definite article. I am the English teacher. It's specific. I'm not any teacher. I'm the English teacher. You know what I'm referring to, and that's why I used the. I saw a black jacket. I want to buy the black jacket. In the first sentence, I'm talking about a jacket that is not specific. It's one of many. However, in the second sentence, I'm talking about a specific jacket, the jacket that I want to buy. Are there any cases where we use no articles at all? Yes, an article is not used if the noun is general and either plural or uncountable. Let's look at some examples. Books are great to read in free time. There's no article because books is a general noun and it's plural. Milk is refreshing and tasty. There's no article because milk is general and uncountable. Now you know how to use articles in English. Today we learned about when we use articles, using a and an, using the, and when we don't use articles at all. Thanks for watching. See you later.